I'm gonna give it a whirl. Yeah! Ah! Fuck. Ooh, man, I remember knocking the breath out of myself because I went up around that tree and there was like a little jump that I didn't notice, and then I was not aware and I was going faster, at least I thought, and man, it knocked the breath out of me whenever I starfished on my back. See, this is the stuff I like. I can do this. Man, imagine saying I like this and then I can do this and then just fucking wiping out. That's crazy. Couldn't be me. That's wild. Yo, I almost had it, man. If I'd only kept my stability, I wouldn't have spun out. But it is what it is sometimes. That's snowboarding for you. Yeah. Fuck. I got hung on that tree. Oh, fuck. This is the end of the crash video. I hope y'all enjoyed the grunts, the groans, and even my bullshit reactions. I had a blast. I hope y'all enjoyed me getting absolutely destroyed on the mountains. Thanks for watching. Much love and peace.